guys, I'm sure all of you watching this video are using WhatsApp and it become a very important part of our life. So keeping this in mind, I have created this video because this application is a very wonderful application with many hidden features, because many of the people don't know the hidden features of this wonderful app. They only use WhatsApp for sending messages and receiving message, and WhatsApp is an application which is used by a vast variety of age gaps, vast variety of generations, either they are of 15 age or of 50 to 60 70 age. So stick to the video till last, because in this video I'm sharing some special and basic features which can make your usage of WhatsApp very relevant and awesome. So coming to the first feature, which is start messages, in which you can star a message which you want to read later or which is very important for you, so you want to save it for later usage, for future usage. So this is very simple to do. What you have to do is just go to your WhatsApp and select a chat whichever you want. I'm just selecting this chat, and you can start a special chat message. So getting into this chat and I'm starting this message, just giving you example, and you can see the star on the upper side. After that you go to the three dots on the right upper corner and you can see the start message, so you can read it later, you can watch it later and save it for future usage. Now coming to the second feature, which is of wallpaper. You can change wallpaper of any chat or whole chat of the WhatsApp. In this, what you have to do is just go to the settings and after that chat, and after that click the wallpaper. In this you can see the various options like no wallpaper, gallery, solid colors, WhatsApp and default. So I'm just going on WhatsApp gallery, and if you don't have WhatsApp gallery you can download it from Google Play. So in this I have chosen this wallpaper, and there are two options, cancel and set. So I'm just clicking on set, and you can see that wallpaper of any chat is changed, and this setting is for all the chats. Now you can see that the settings for all the chat is changed. After that, if you don't want WhatsApp gallery wallpapers, you can go to settings. Now go to the chats and wallpaper, and you can see many options like gallery. So you can choose any photo from gallery of your choice. So here is the example. After that, if you want only solid colors, they have also option for solid colors also. So this is the second feature. Now coming to the third feature, which is somewhat related to the second feature. In this you can create a custom wallpaper for any special chat. So I am selecting this chat, going to the three dots on the upper right corner, going to the wallpaper, and you can see the previous options like no wallpaper and something else. So I am selecting a wallpaper from gallery, and you can choose any wallpaper of your choice, and same options, cancel and set. Just clicking on the set, and you can zoom the wallpaper also. So you can see that a custom wallpaper is created for this chat. Now coming to the fourth feature, which is very important for all, because we have many chats in our WhatsApp and many groups, and it can create a storage problem to our WhatsApp and our phone too, and our phone got hanged many times. So dealing with the problem of storage is a big deal. So here I am sharing a basic solution to the storage problem, and you can follow it, and you can say that this is an awesome feature and you are one step away to your storage problem. So go to the WhatsApp and go to the three dots on the upper right corner. In this you can see the settings. After clicking on settings, go to the storage and data, and after that you can manage storage. Click on the manage storage, and you can see the files which are larger than 5 MB are shown on the upper side, and you can see the files which are larger than 5 MB. So you can delete it from here. Select all if you want to delete all, or select a single or special one. You can also manage your storage in chats, like you have many chats, you can manage your storage in that too. So these are the options. You can select all, or you can delete only a special chat. So this is the way by which you can manage your storage. Fifth feature is mute forever. Like before, you don't have the option to mute forever to any chat or any group, but now in 2020 they have given the option to mute any chat or group forever. For this you go to your WhatsApp, and you can select a special chat or group chat. So I'm just holding this chat for long time. just giving you example and going to the mute option on upper side, and you can say for 8 hours, 1 week, and for always. So you can mute any group chat or chat for always. You will not disturb by that person or group in future. So this is the basic trick you can follow. If you like the video and like the hidden WhatsApp trick, so subscribe to my channel and press the thumbs up button and click on the bell icon. So till then, bye bye.